Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the first program of the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit and start by taking a look at the effect. When button A is pressed, the input will be displayed on the LED screen, press button B, and everything will disappear. In this lesson, we will be using Microbit buttons and LED dots. These two buttons are Microbit physical input devices that allow the user to interact with the device. They can be programmed to perform specific tasks such as starting a game, switching modes, or controlling program flow. The state of the buttons, pressed or unpressed, can be read and used in a program. The Microbit's LEDs are arranged in a 5x5 grid on the front of the Microbit. Each LED can be controlled individually and can be turned on, off, or set to a different brightness. The LEDs can be programmed to display text, patterns, animations, or other visual effects. The LEDs can be used to display the status of a program, respond to user input, or create simple games and animations. Next, let's see how to implement this program. First, drag and drop the input code block on button pressed, then drag and drop the basic command show icon and place it in the button command. Selecting the heart graphic dot, next copy the above block and change it to B, then place the block that clears the display. That's it. The program is done. Simple, right? Next, use the USB cable to connect to the Microbit. Download the program to the Microbit motherboard and see the effect. When button A is pressed, the LED screen displays a heart pattern, and when button B is pressed, everything will disappear. Of course, you can enter your favorite content by changing the show icons, show numbers, and show strings blocks. Well, that's it for this lesson. If you like our lessons, please follow our account, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.